Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll use a new adapter to quickly read a Toyota ECU. Connect the adapters in sequence. And connect the pins according to the wiring diagram. Connect the device to the USB port and the power supply. Connect the host to the adapter and the other end to the computer. All connections are now complete. Let's operate the ECU on the computer. Open the FC200 software and enter the ECU model. Click Connect. After a successful connection, start reading flash. After saving the data, our task for this time is completed. See you next time.